G'day, it's Ross Wilson from AVO Turbo World. We've got our Project Impreza GT7 back on the dyno, where we've just done a tune with our unequal length header and full exhaust system. The power went from our last video at 145 PS and 19.4 kilograms torque to now 158 PS and 20.3 kilograms torque. Let's take a look. As you can see, the biggest part of the difference in the tune was the air-fuel ratio. We've leaned it off a lot from mid-range to the top end. We've also added a little bit more cam timing and also a little bit of ignition timing. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the result.